Hello and welcome to my class. In this lecture, I like to go over adding integers. So let's say we have -2 plus -6. We know 2 plus 6 will give us 8, so -2 plus -6 will give us -8. Another way you could think about this concept is with a numbered line. So let's say we have -2 and we subtract 6 more. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We add -6, we end up at -8. Alrighty, in this example, we have -8 plus -4. So +8 plus +4 would give you +12. So -8 plus -4 would give you, that's right, -12. And we can also think about this with a number line. Let's say we are at -8 and we're going to -4. We're going to add -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'd end up at -12. So in this example, we have +8 plus -9. Because we have one number that's positive and another one that's negative, we can take the difference between the two. So because -9 is bigger, it's going to end up with a negative sign, and the difference between 8 and 9 is 1. So therefore, this answer would be -1. Another way we can conceptualize this is with a number line. Let's say we are at +8, right over here, and we're going to add -9. So therefore, we're going to subtract 9. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We end up at -1. Alrighty, in this example, we have +5 plus -10. Pause, take a break, see if you can figure this one out. Alrighty, in case you guessed it, our answer is going to end up being negative because -10 is greater than 5. And now we just have to take the difference because we have one number that's positive and one number that's negative. So the difference between 5 and 10 is going to be 5. So our answer would therefore be -5. We can also conceptualize this with a number line. Let's say we're at +5 and we're going to subtract 10. We're going to add -10. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We end up at -5. Okay, in this example, we have -6 plus -6. So we know +6 plus +6 would just give us 12. So a -6 plus -6 would give us what? That's right, I thought I heard it back there. It would give us -12. And we can conceptualize this with a number line. Let's say we are at -6 and we're going to add another -6. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We end up at -12. Alrighty, in this example, we have +10 plus -15. Because we have one number that's positive and another one that's negative, we're going to want to take the difference. So the difference between 10 and 15 is going to be 5. And because -15 is greater than +10, our answer is going to be negative. So the answer would be -5. We can also conceptualize this with a number line. So let's say we are at positive 10 right over here, and we're going to add negative 15, which means we're going to subtract 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We end up at negative 5. So in this example, I have 6 plus negative 10. Because 6 is positive and negative 10 is negative, we can just take the difference between negative 10 and 6. And because our 6 is smaller, our answer is going to end up with being a negative. So it'll be negative 4. Because the difference between 6 and 10 is 4, but the 10 is greater, so it ends up being a negative. Now, another way we can conceptualize this is with a number line. Let's say we are at positive 6 and we go down 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We end up at negative 4.